Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting right in Settings to fix brightness quickly. First, unlock the iPhone and open Settings, then tap Display and Brightness. This is where System Brightness and Night Shift live. Once there, disable Auto Brightness so your manual changes hold. This prevents ambient light sensor from undoing your work. Make sure Do Not Disturb or Low Power Mode isn't limiting display output. These steps prepare the controls so the changes you make next take immediate effect and stay consistent. Now you'll fine-tune how the screen looks. Drag the brightness slider slowly and watch the display change. You want a comfortable midpoint for indoor use and higher for outdoor. Next, toggle True Tone and Dark Mode to see how color temperature and contrast affect perceived brightness. True Tone warms display automatically, which can seem dimmer. Also enable or disable Night Shift. It shifts color toward warmer tones in evenings. Make adjustments while moving to bright light to confirm outdoor visibility. Finish by validating the change across common scenarios. Test the screen in direct sun. If it's still hard to see, allow auto brightness back on so the sensor ups output automatically or raise the manual level. If controls don't respond, restart the phone and check for an iOS update to fix software bugs. If brightness remains inconsistent or the screen is dim even at max, run diagnostics in Settings, Privacy, and Security, or contact Apple support. This often indicates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.